Okay, hello, and welcome to another episode of Camp's C++ Quickies. In this video, we're going to learn the if and else statements and how to make decisions in C++. So this one's fairly simple. Um, let's say we want to tell a user if their favorite number is even or odd. So int favorite, okay, cout, what is your favorite number? Cn favorite. Okay. Now it's easy to tell if a number is even or odd by dividing it by 2 and seeing if there is a remainder. So we could just cout favorite percent 2. I did my things backwards again. Favorite percent 2 end line. Okay. Now if I do this, what is your favorite number? 7 responds 1. Okay. That's not useful. 1 or 0 does not tell the user anything. So we can use the equals equals operator that tests to see if something is equal to something else. Equals 0. Okay. So I have to put this in parentheses to tell him that this is supposed to be done separately from the input output. Okay. If I run this, what is your favorite number? 42. 1. Okay. Well, favorite percent 2 equals 0. It should output true. Let's see if I have to cast it to a Boolean first. No, it's just going to print it out as 1 if it's true and 0 if it's false. Okay. Well, it was a nice experiment. What we want to do, though, is tell the user that it's even or odd. So what we need is a conditional statement. And the conditional statement in C++ is if. Put if, and then my condition in parentheses, favorite percent 2 equals 0. Okay. And if that's true, start a new code block here. I want to cout that is an even number. End line. Okay. What is your favorite number? 42. That is an even number. Run it again. What is your favorite number? 7. Well, in this case, it doesn't print anything because we haven't given it an alternative. The way to give an alternative in C++, if you have a binary decision, it's either yes or no, true or false, this or that, is we use the keyword else. Okay. Cout. That is one odd number. End line. And this time if I run, what is your favorite number? 7. That is one odd number. Okay. Now, let's say we want to know if that number is divisible by 3 if it's not even. Okay. We can put multiple statements together. We can say else if favorite percent 3 equals 0. that number is divisible by 3. Okay. So run my program. What is your favorite number? 9. Checks it for even. It's not even. Checks it for divisible by 3. It is. Okay. Try 7. Says nothing again because now we have no else for this else. Okay. Um, so we can have another else. Um, else if favorite %5 equals 0. See out. That number is a multiple of 5. Okay. So you can see we can build a nice long chain of if else ifs. And then we need one last else, which can see out. That might be a prime number. Okay, because it's not divisible by the first 2, 3, or 5. Why did we not check 4? Because 4 is divisible by 2. So we've already crossed all the multiples of 2 out. So we're checking the first 3 major criteria for being a prime number. Obviously, this is not a complete program for that. So what is your favorite number? 7. That might be a prime number. Okay. All right. So that's it. That's all there is to ifs, elses, and else ifs in C++. Hope you learned something, and come back for more. Next time we're going to be doing logic in what can go in those if and else if statements.